Boy, Yadi, back again. You see it? Real quick video. I'm gonna just be doing a top down analysis on gold, right? Employing the strategy, the whole process on the gold chart instead of EU right now, right? I'll see if I can take a 1% risk on that. Just trying to expand on the process, see what are the charts I'm comfortable using it on, right? Tracking some opportunities. So all this remains the same plan, same risk management, just a different chart, right? So we'll see how well we can stick to the script. I'm gonna get right into it, right? So on the monthly chart, we can see that we're within this current monthly candle that broke the line at the protected high, right? Order flow is heading to the bottom side, so it's targeting sell side liquidity. Go to the weekly. What we'll see is the weekly impulse itself. We can see that they bought and then sold through the low on the weekly right here, right? So again, we're treating this weekly low as a target. Market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? We started breaking down, came back up from where it broke down from the supply candle it broke down from, and we're currently filling in. Well, it filled in price and is displacing to the lower low or displacing to the lows on the smaller time frame. All right, so everything right now is lining up. We're still heading down. We'll go to the daily. Right, on the daily, what you can see is the order flow in terms of where market wants to head. Just a bit more clearly. So if before price was trapped between this low and this high, this move down brought price beneath this low, telling us that they do want to head lower. But before heading lower, they are going to want to fill back in these prices, more specifically this missing price right here, right? So we've tapped into the missing price, kind of using the highest protected still. But we've started breaking down to the bottom side. So overall, right now, what we have is a higher time frame target being this low right here, into the low underneath it, right? Because we are assuming that we are targeting sell side, and as such, the current break on the daily will be coming from this candle. If I go to 4 hour, what you'll find is we've bought and displaced below prior lows right here, making this overall structure bearish. So right now, let me go over it real quick. The weekly is bearish, going from high to low, right? We're trying to line it up with a weekly candle break, which came from this high right here to this low, right? That's a range. And then going to the daily, expand on that a bit more. So high to low, we can see that the small displacement behind or below the lows right here. And monthly is bearish, weekly is bearish. Daily clearly just broke down to the bottom side, taking out, one, two lows. And I'm gonna go to the 4 hour, and I'll just take the trade from this 4 hour order block created that was used to sweep the lows here. So we're assuming that a lower high will be formed, push us down. So entry taken here, risking 1%. So I'll split risk from 2% to 1%. Okay, all right, so 1% right here. Save this template. All right, so entry taken here. I'll put this to the right actually. Right, template, save. Okay. All right, so entry will be taken here. Stop loss placed above the 4 hour high. And the idea is to bring this entry all the way down through the lows. So this one plays out successfully, gets a nice 1 to 2, which is fine. Granted, we're down 2% for the day. So this can be the comeback, right? Okay. So I'll just clean this up a bit. Show the break right here. This move being the 1%. Bring this over. Right. At 1 to 1, I'll mark that out. 1 to 1. All right, so 1-to-1's right here. This will be the break even point. Let's see. 1-to-1 RRBE. I'll even save this as well. Save as BE. As BE. Boom. Boom. Right. And then we'll keep it running towards the low. But all in all, this is the opportunity. I'll just keep tracking this specific opportunity. Not much to it. Entry at the open of the block, stop loss above, keeping it protected. And that's about it for right now. I appreciate y'all time. As the trade plays out, I'll keep updating it, see what other opportunities I can find to execute on the process itself through the market. This one's one that I'm just a bit comfortable with as everything is lining up towards the sell side. And we'll see how this plays out. Again, if we lose, it's okay. Risk management, we're only risking 1%. We're allowed to lose 2% per day. Again, not aiming to lose, of course not. Kind of just following the plan through and through and see what happens, right? So I appreciate y'all time. That's about it for right now. See what else I can do. Y'all have a wonderful night. Thank you.